Have an awareness of the rib cage throughout this work. Each rib connects into the thoracic spine. So when you take a breath and expands the rib cage, that creates a model in the body that is more powerful and pressurized. It can also have an effect on the joints of the lower body. Although it is far away, it can reduce weight by expanding all the way. When you breathe out, you may be tempted to fall back into old patterns. So the goal is to expand the rib cage, maintain the space, exhale powerfully, and then each subsequent breath, create a larger and more powerful you. Over time, this will develop a more habitual response where you find yourself in bigger postures versus more compressed positions that our modern lifestyles incorporate.